Hey, this is Canon Vickery, and I'm gonna be doing one of my videos today. I'll just type it in here, Canon Vickery. I just like to type my name in the beginning, yeah, Canon Vickery. All right, for this activity, 8.5, we're gonna be configuring and testing a GPO. We're gonna need our 410 Server 1 and Windows 8. 410 Windows 8. So we're gonna log on, start our Windows. It's all started up. We're gonna log on to our 410 Server 1 as an administrator, and we're gonna want to open our Server Manager. We're gonna go to Tools. We're gonna go to Active Directory, Users and Computers. So here we're gonna want to come to our computers right here. We're gonna have these two options. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our Windows 8 and just drag it into our test OU3. Hit yes here if I can. There we go. All right. So now we're going to open our group policy management. You see here, just like that. We're going to, it's okay, it's loading. So it's refreshing. I did some stuff earlier. I took something out and then I'm put the same thing back in, but it wants to refresh, so we'll give it a second. I wonder, oh, whoops. We're going to go through, we're going to, wonder, I don't know if it'll let us. We might be able to edit. Oh, it looks like it will let us. We'll go to edit, and then we're going to go to policies, computer configurations, policies, Windows settings, security settings, and then we're going to come down to click security settings. Then we want to go to local policies, I believe. Yep, local policies, and then we're going to go to user rights user right assignment. And now from here we're going to go to allow log on locally. We're going to hit define these policies. We're going to add a user or group. We're going to browse. We're going to put in administrator. I think that's wrong, but yeah, that's wrong. Let me administrator. Let me just double check my spelling on that again. Check names. Local names account. Should just be this one here. Yep. Then we'll hit OK. Then we'll hit OK again. Administrators must be granted the local log on right. There we go. Alright. Now, once we've done that, I'm going to check that. Now we're going to go onto our 410 Windows 8. We're going to log in as administrator. So 410 server 2012-administrator. Password capital P, and then followed up with an 01 at the end. So now, on desktop, right click here. We're going to go to run. We're going to do sec poll.msc. Hit OK. This is going to open up our local security policy. And now from here, we're going to go to local policies, user rights assignment. Yes, user rights assignment. I keep forgetting I have to click that. We're going to click our log on locally. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. So right now it doesn't look like it's changed at all. What we need to do is go down here. We need to open up our command prompt. and we need to put in a command. We need to put in group policy, so GP update. We'll put that in. It'll update. Oh shoot. Well, I need to close out of that first. We'll have it update again, and then we'll get back in. You're supposed to close out of that. We'll run this command, group policy update, and it goes through, updates all that. So once this is done, we can close out of here. Policy update is completed. User policy update has completed successfully. Come down. Not right click. Run. Hit OK again. Now if we come here, local policies, user rights, assignment. There, you see, it's changed. I guess it's kind of hard to see, but it has changed. It looks supposed to look like 2 computer towers right there. So now we're going to double click our log on locally. As you can see here, these are both listed here, but we can't like change anything with them. The remove or add user group is not there because no users, not even administrators, can override domain policies on a local computer. So we'll go ahead and cancel out of here. So we're going to log off of this. So sign out, and we're going to sign in to our test user 1. So other user 410. Keep forgetting to hit that button. 410 server test user 1. And this should let us all in. It might take us a second. I've already gone through and logged in like this once, so oh, username and passwords. Oh, whoops. My bad. Oh, I have insert on. Whoops. Test user 1. I forgot to put in. Oh, I did not have this problem last time. 410 server 2012. Alright, give me a second. We're going to figure out why it's doing this. Alright, so I just figured out my error. It is actually supposed to not work there because I'm only supposed to be able to log on locally. I'm supposed to come back here to 410 server 1. I'll come back to here. And I'm going to take this off. Apply it. Okay. Now when I come here and go other user, 410 server 2012 test user 1, and then put in my password. I forgot. I need to restart it. It takes it some time to it has to redo the policy, and it takes it 90 minutes or when you restart it. So instead of waiting here for an hour and a half for it to restart, or going through and changing the amount of time it takes, we're just going to restart the computer. And it'll refresh, and I'll be able to log into my test user, and we'll all be good again. So, yep. We'll give it some time. We'll keep looking at the computer, because that's all we can do right now. There we go. Alright. So now, we'll back out of here. Other user. Let's see. 410 server 2012 test user 1. Put in my password in case you're wondering what it looks like. Boom, password. And it'll say welcome, and it should let us in right here. Yay, we're in. So now we're logged on. And we'll come through here. Right click. We're going to go to command prompt, and only administrators are allowed to use this. So we're going to have to put in an administrator password. So put in administrator. Put in my password. Alright, and we are in here. So now we'll put in SEC po.msc, put in that command, and hit enter. We'll give it a quick second for it to open this. There we go. So now we're going to go to local policies, user rights assignment. We're going to be here again. So now, if we double click this, you can see here, now what we're getting is a list of users and groups assigned to this permission. And this is assigned from a local GPO rather than a domain, so I can make changes if it's needed. And so that's going to be basically all for this activity. We're going to close out of this stuff. We are going to sign out. Go to 410 server 1. I'm going to change, not in here. I'm going to unlink my Windows 8 from test OU3 and put it back to computers. So now it's all cleaned up. That is going to be everything for this activity. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.